Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys every new item and everything new on the Style Showdown update. So in the Style Showdown update, we have these items. So we got this one, I think, and then this coat, the skirt, and then these shoes are new as well. And then I think we got new faces on the custom makeup one. I'm not sure about if we got new hair. And then for obviously the prize item, we have this dress, these gloves, and then this headpiece. If you want to go to the Style Showdown server, you'll have to select this icon and then, or this one at the bottom, and then go to the Style Showdown game. And that is pretty much the new things that they have on the Style Showdown update. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.